also want to take you to Karnataka, because even in Karnataka, there's Chennapatna, which is facing by-elections right now. That's for the state assembly seat. It was vacated by Union Minister H.D. Kumaraswamy, so the seat has turned out to be a high-profile seat right now. Why this was also controversial? Remember the political bickering and fight over this seat? The JDS roped in third-generation JDS leader and son of H.D. Kumaraswamy, Nikhil, because the father was consistently pushing on this. On the NDA ticket, he's got it. Five-time MLA CP Yogeshwar is now contesting against him on a Congress ticket. So Anaga Keshav is joining me live this morning from Chennapatna on the latest on that. This was one seat, isn't it, where I think each of the political figures tried to ensure that their influence or power was used best. Eventually for JDS it was Nikhil Kumaraswamy. Take us through the details, Anaga. Why is this an important seat?
Well, Pooja, firstly, Chennapatna falls under Old Mysore region, the bastion of JDS. And now we have the next generation of JDS, Nikhil Kumaraswamy, who is contesting against CP Yogeshwar. CP Yogeshwar is a very tall leader in Chennapatna. Mr. Yogeshwar has consistently been winning from this particular place. It was either CP Yogeshwar or somebody from the JDS. So that was the mood on the ground when it came to Chennapatna, the land of toys, the land of wooden toys. So now today we have a very interesting fight that's coming in. That's between Nikhil Kumaraswamy, who has still today, Pooja, won 0 elections. He has consisted in Ramnagara before, and he has lost his mother, Anita Kumaraswamy, earlier vacated her seat for her son to contest, but he lost. He has won, he has lost elections after elections, but still the JDS has gone ahead, consistently pushing him to be the new face of JDS. He has yet again been given a chance to contest against the tallest leader, one of the tallest leader in Chennapatna, that's CP Yogeshwar. Like you can see, you have people coming in to vote early in the morning. Just a short while back, we had people in their 80s come in wheelchair to cast their vote in Chennapatna. This might be a small town, but still we can see the kind of responsibility and accountability that the citizens of Chennapatna are showing, despite the fact that this is a quaint little town far away from the noise of the city, people living their slow-paced life. They still have the compulsion to come out here early in the morning to the polling booth and cast their votes. Today is going to be the biggest fight. In fact, it's the fight of pride between the two tallest Vokaligas of Karnataka. That's DK Shivakumar versus HT Kumaraswamy. DK was the one who poached CP Yogeshwar from NDA fold and poached him back to Congress. So this is indeed the biggest Vokaliga bastion, one could say, because the biggest population in Chennapatna is Vokaligas, standing at 1,40,000, followed by Dalits pegged at 50,000. After Dalits would come Muslims. So, it's essentially Vokaligas, Dalits and Muslims that are mostly dominated in the city of Chennapatna. A very strong battle between the two tallest Vokaliga leaders, we could say, between DK Shivakumar, who has poached CP Yogeshwar, versus HT Kumaraswamy, whose own son Nikhil Kumaraswamy is contesting from Chennapatna.
All right, Anaga, we'll be looking forward to how there are the voter turnout and also the results of it very soon. Remember, this is very interesting. So from Karnataka to Kerala and to Jharkhand, parliament or assembly by-polls that are taking place, or assembly elections, where people are coming out to elect their next leader and how. Let's hope that the turnout is good in each of these states.